Uhamba nge-Ford Ranger, lohamba nge-Range Rover, whatever. I think that's Don Perignon, I think that's Ace of Spades, I think that's Shampopo, I think that's Anga.
Unzima kuba i-rockstar, my guys. Good stuff.
Hello, sanibonani bafethu. This is Banele, we just love music. Hey, it's been a long time coming, I know. But listen, I have a lot of videos that I recorded, but I promise you I'm gonna drop them soon. And everyone that is subscribed, if you haven't subscribed but you're watching this, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the notification button. And what's that thing? The bell. Yeah, the bell. So I'm out here with Kush, and this is actually what's the story. Basically, we're gonna be talking about anything on this show. Anything you can think of, if you have a topic, put it on the comment section, because we'd love to hear what do you guys want on the show. And Pinze, we're just gonna update you basically. What is this show gonna be about?
This show is basically gonna be about what we see as relevant to our environment in Swaziland.
Standard. What's that?
I just want to highlight what he just said about, if you have any topics you feel like, especially relevant to Swaziland, that you feel like you want us to talk about, don't be shy.
Make sure we need them on the comment section with any topic. And we'd love to say shout out to everyone who's overseas, because we know a lot of people from overseas, they were sort of about how when are you dropping what video. So I'm hoping you guys are tuning in, and overseas anyway. But without wasting any time, I'd like us just to talk. I'd like to talk about Amablessa. First of all, we're going to talk about blessers, and we're going to come back to this one. We just want to talk about anything. I want to talk about blessers because I have experience with blessers. I've experienced blessers, so I don't know, Kush, what are blessers?
Exactly, I was about to say, should we start by defining what blessers are? Because some people, you never know.
Yeah, I'm blesser blesser Range Rover, Bentley, Don't
Ace of Spades, everything.
You come tell me what's a blesser about?
Actually, my explanation is not 100%. But for me, then what they remove no blesser. Usually, more often than not, it's a man, an older man, who uses his money and influence to get a girl, or just to be seen in the club. He's using his financial weight to get ahead in the club. Because in the club, there's a whole lot of people who obviously want the same thing that you want, but you have the financial muscle to get it over.
Wait, sorry. Manje blesser shothi fanele ukuthi bese clubbing.
You find blessers everywhere, to be honest. But that's their home scene. It's like saying would say Utawkanza Maswati and Swaziland only. That's not true.
King,
where else have you seen a blesser? Where else have you seen blesser?
Dog, vele bese clubbing labantu. Angathi say how blessers, now that you've explained ukuthi mini blesser angifubuke njengoba ngishito ngicabanga ukuthi umuntu uhamba nge-Ford Ranger, lohamba nge-Range Rover, whatever. I think that's Don Perignon, I think that's Ace of Spades, I think that's Shampopo, I think that's but like, what do you think I don't know, what do you think makes but do you think the reason is money? Because why am I sharing some blessers? Maybe now such a cool place. Maybe now this is my future blessers.
But I think that's an important thing I wanted to touch on. Like, why do most girls go for the blesser? I think, well, the blessers represent, or they live a lifestyle that people want to live themselves, because people you might find out have a harsh background. So nana bafuna kuphila the soft life.
Yeah, soft life.
The soft life that you see on Instagram, you see on TikTok, you see on most platforms. People are out here living in private jets. They don't have a care. When you have enough money to make sure that you don't have worries. So people want to associate with someone in that light, so none but they can live that life.
Yeah, or labanye nje bathandzela because it happens ukuthi khona maybe sisi a girl has everything at home but nje she just loves nje the lifestyle ukuthi nje abe ne much diet mode. I don't know, I mean I've seen I know a few
I know
a few laba khanze semzimba grand. It's not like all the time ukuthi they don't have money at home. Labanye nje maybe bathanza a lifestyle of being at home because maybe batasitshela in the comment section ukuthi why do they love blessers, and hey man, I don't think ukuthi laba bata comment so unginaba labo wathanza, I don't know, but nje so ma blesser mine for me I think ukuthi bayendile impilo yabarafu 14 no king bayendile impilo yabarafu 14, I can't lie. Labantu labo bafike bathatha they always get the prettiest baba, prettiest. True. In the place nje nakufike bona kacaca prettiest hands gone except okunento usala senibangisana lapho bese kufike amabhoza but nase clubini vele shothi kahle kahle it's money over everything,
especially when you get into the club scene. You sense not like as people who aren't at that level Amablessa. So then what's left behind is left behind.
That time khanza kudlala Waffles lapha adiwele
baba.
Hayi but bafethu asiki bafethu Waffles siyacela sicela manje ubuye ekhaya mnqweshami ngathi sagcina noma soshaya ishow ya 1 hour asathu uthini 1 hour.
You know, there are some Uncle Waffles, I think even a 30-minute performance
except
would be enough.
Uncle Waffles ishow yakhe egcina was October. Yeah, but October I remember I was with her. Except so long ngamgcina lapho nyalo ngicina bombona social media trender Waffles sikusendela message buye ekhaya otherwise siyakakhumbula ekhaya otherwise khumbula ekhaya samshayela sabatshela ukuthi sifuna lunge lihle abuye ekhaya. Uyabona njalo wena uthini? Have you met her?
I haven't met her yet.
Yeah!
I haven't met her yet. Apparently you
Celebrate labu.
Hey.
Celebrate labu. When I'm going to autograph,
hey.
Autograph. But yeah, otherwise, what do you think about Waffles?
I think she's doing well for herself, and she's also doing well, like raising up the Swazi flag. Because I know, hey.
Do you think she's embracing it though?
I think.
Be honest.
No, I think she is embracing it because I've seen in the comment section people are always like
people. I
was actually would say people are always saying people will always say South African, but she'll always make it known. Would say there's one comment I saw her saying would say she is a Swazi, somewhere along those lines. So she does make it known. It's like people like
I say what's perfect to say you know the perks of being famous, except some are good. I don't know, it's a native for team native for team. Even nebantu bokhule nabo labanye besibona bakuposta bese bacela basakuposti. So mina I'm just happy with Uncle Waffles finally made it, and she made it like look possible for us. Not says young Swazis could say actually,
you know, this life is a tale.
Actually, singakonkarisha. Actually, singakonkarisha. But do you think she's bought a car? She has a car.
I haven't seen it yet. But I'm confident she definitely can make it. She can definitely make it now.
But she has already made a lot of money with her thing.
I'm not saying about yeah, she's definitely made it.
Hey, without some
and when she comes back
fucking car, man, G-class.
And when she comes back to Swaziland, she's gonna be, you know, then she's gonna have all eyes on her because of her car. She's just
I don't think she's gonna come back anytime soon.
We can only hope that she comes back soon. Swaziland, I'm sure, is missing.
But I don't know. This is the first time we're shooting la, and we don't even know how this thing is gonna turn out. The quality, the sound,
So Styles is made first time.
First time.
It's our first time.
Yeah, basibeketelele ngicela sibeketelele ngoshami nangabe khona lo vangathi angasidonatela
Hey.
tipika noma mics or whatever, you are more than welcome. And I think we're also gonna go outside because other videos we have to do them outside.
Yeah.
But of course this is what's the story with Banele Kush. So basically we cover everything, and on this channel we basically dropping anything that comes to mind. I'll be dropping videos of me partying, I'll be dropping short movies, I'll be dropping a lot of things. And if you're trying to market something, you're trying to promote something, you can just hit me up or comment here. Follow our socials. I think we're gonna attach them.
Yeah, we're gonna attach them in the
link. In the link below. Who would have thought?
That's us now.
Link below. So yeah, well, it's been a long time coming. So I'm in a relationship,
Me?
But we can't just jump straight into it. People who wanna know.
They wanna know my stuff.
Nah, you're in a relationship. Yeah. But I guess since I'm a Cornelo Kulum, I guess that's a story for
another day. That's a story for another day.
Yeah, so thank you so much once again. This is me, Banele, and this is
Kush Danawa.
Kush. Kush.
Yeah, you know.
But yeah, please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification, whatever. Make sure you do the things, and it was pretty nice.
Yeah.
Not bad for the first first Kulum.
We'd like to say thank you to everyone who viewed this video. Thank you for making it this far. And but thank you to everyone who tuned in, and especially to everyone who's liking our videos, to everyone who's gonna subscribe and everything.
Yeah.
You know, you people are actually helping the channel grow.
Yeah. Everyone has been waiting. Also, people that have been telling me, Banele, when is the video dropping? This is the video, and expect more. This is only the beginning.
The beginning.
No matter the beginning.
Yeah.